welcome back to another video. So lately I ran a poll on my channel about what video you guys would be interested in, and most of you guys said you'd be interested in watching a how to prepare for a new college semester video. So I thought it would be nice to make one since we are a month away from starting a new semester, and it seems kind of far away, but at the same time a month doesn't seem that far. I'll be sharing some of my tips and how I organize a lot of my time commitments and things like that. So next semester is actually the first semester in over a year and a half in which I'm actually moving back to campus and going to school in person. And I've been at home for like my entire junior year and half of sophomore year doing school from home online, so I'm really excited to be going back. But half my classes are still online while the other half are in person, and I'll be having more videos within being in Berkeley, so make sure to stick around and subscribe if you're interested in any of that. So yeah. So the very first thing I do when I figure out my schedule of classes I'm gonna be taking for the next semester is I will first have my school's like class planner in which it lists all the times and things like that. And then I usually try to transfer it onto my Google Calendar, which has really helped a lot over like the last few years because you can see everything on your calendar really neatly. So I'll show you guys how mine looks like right now. So I'm just gonna switch the camera. Okay, so this is like my school's portal, and you can see like some of the classes I have here. And I just registered for my second class this morning, so I have this class here, which is like a really weird gap. Then I have my Google Calendar, and so some of these classes I already filled in from when I registered classes a few months ago, so I'm gonna add in my other class to this calendar. So I added all of my classes on repeat for the whole semester, so that is done. And this is like the calendar system I use. So on the left I have like a bunch of colors, and so basically this pink color is like the class schedule, but if you go into like more details, I have colors for different types of events. So for example, like exams, extracurriculars, like social events, recruiting stuff for like when I had internship hunting and things like that. So I would put things in different colors so that way it's easier to visualize on my schedule. Okay, so this is an example of like a really colorful calendar based on like my calendar systems. This was like in February 2020 where I actually had like events to go to and not just sit at home all the time. So I had like all this stuff, and I think it was just like easier and like also more visually appealing just to see all the colors and stuff. Also, something that I think has really helped me with like my calendar system is having the Zoom links of the classes in the calendar, because I found that when I first started online school, I always had to log into the class page to like scramble to find the Zoom link like 5 minutes before class starts, and I didn't like show it in my video because for like privacy reasons and things like that. I also use like my iPad as a planner to write down events. So this is the iPad that I use. I have a lot of my digital notebooks and things like that on my iPad, and I feel like so many things are just going digital now, so I just keep a lot of my stuff on my iPad. I have my goodnotes app, and basically it was super easy. I just found like a planner template online, so I downloaded that for 2021. But basically I have like monthly views of like my exams, homework, and things like that. So I would put that during the beginning of the semester and highlight them in different colors so I can like easily differentiate and organize my thoughts as well as like dates and stuff, so that's super helpful. Oh my god, I was just playing with the goodnotes app, and it looks like I just updated the app, and they have like these back to school stickers that I haven't seen yet, and like so many other ones. They even have like stamps and stuff, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna start using this more because this will definitely motivate me to use my planner more. So something I've been using more a lot lately is Notion, and I used to think that it was super complicated, but I tried using it for like organizing my YouTube stuff, and it's actually a super helpful platform that I've never really used that much, but I'm hoping to use more next semester. So I'll just show you guys how my dashboards look like. So this is like the dashboard I'm using for my YouTube, so it's been really helpful to be able to organize my stuff in pages, but I'm not going to show you that today. But I have this other page. I got this template from a YouTuber named Rivezine. She does like study videos and stuff, so she had a nice template that I really liked, and I just kind of like replaced the photos. So I have so many like boba stuff, like it's so funny. This is like literally what I want. And I also have like the bow thing that they have. But anyways, got distracted. But yeah, this is like the dashboard. There's a to-do list, so this is what I'm doing today. There's like sort of like a weekly planner, and then some other things like journaling, goals, so I'll show you guys that. When I opened the weekly plan, there was like a template that came with it, and this is just like having a to-do list, things I have to do for each day of the week, the weekend, and upcoming deadlines and stuff like that. So currently don't really have much on the to-do list just because it's the summer, and a lot of the stuff I'm doing for my internship I'm writing in other places, not in my Notion. So this is something that I want to use during the school year, and I think will be super helpful for organizing things like homeworks, exams, and just things you have to do during the day. So this is definitely something I'm looking forward to using more. So another one of the sections I wanted to show you guys was the goals and the habits. So I actually think it's a really good idea to make some goals for the new year because it just makes everything, you feel more motivated and stuff like that. So here are some of my goals for the upcoming year. Exercising, cooking more, social events, and of course trying to post more on YouTube. So that's some of what I am trying to do more of next year. So yeah, that is basically the dashboard. I feel like once I actually get my assignments and stuff, I'll probably be adding more details to this. So let me know if you guys are interested in hearing about that once I figure this out. I'm going to be making some notebooks on my iPad for some of my classes. That way I can take notes during class if they allow iPads. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So this is my goodnotes app where I have my planner plus my notebooks. So I'm just going to make another one for my class. So selecting notebook. I'm going to use ruled narrow paper just because it imitates like a regular notebook. So I have that. And for the cover, I'm going to choose one I like. Let's see. No. Well, I actually like these solid colors, so. Well, I like the pink, so I'm going to do that. And then this is going to be UGBA 133. And this class is like investments or like financial investments. So this is my notebook for that. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Swiping right to make new pages. So yeah, that's what I'm planning to do for a lot of my classes. I just came back from Target and picked up a few things that I want to get for college. So I got this air fryer, which I always wanted forever, but I actually never got the chance to get one. So I got one from Target today. I'm super excited to be using this for meal prep and just cooking in general. And I also just got a regular notebook, but some professors don't like tech during lectures, so hopefully this will be helpful for classes and things like that. So yeah, all my other stuff for college I already have at home, so I don't have to buy extra things. So most of the stuff I'm doing to get ready for the school year is mostly just setting organizational systems, and generally super excited to be moving back to Berkeley this semester and excited to make more videos on college and Berkeley. So be sure to stick around, and thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!